This video is sponsored by Princess Polly. Use my code Kayla for 20% off your next order. Hi, my name is Kayla and this is my channel, and today I will be sharing with you 9 things you actually need in your wardrobe if you're ready to upgrade your style. Don't worry, these tips are going to be very beginner friendly and all of the items I use will be linked in the description box below, so without further ado, let's just get into it. The very first thing you need is a corset top. I am telling you, get yourself one of these. It's so romantic, medieval, makes me feel like a princess in a tower, or a queen ruling her own kingdom. I prefer ones with a zip up or a corset tying in the back for more added detail. That's up to you, but I love this one with this floral pattern and this like beige shading in the back. The color scheme on this one makes it feel historical and more timeless, but it goes with so many things. Like you can dress it down and make it casual. If you're not new around here, you know I love versatile pieces. And this is my top number one you should get. Get yourself a corset. I like the zipper one, so that way you can flip it around if you want to and wear it front or back. So yeah, not much else to say. Get you one of these. The next thing you're going to want to get is a long maxi skirt, preferably one that is cotton, because cotton is one, a natural material, so it's overall better for you, but also it's more durable, so you're going to get more uses out of it, and the more you shapeshift it, like I did to make it into a dress, will not, deteriorate or get stretched out as easily as something with a lesser material would. If you're the type who loves to wear leggings or sweatpants out, but you really want to upgrade your style, this is the item for you, because what it's going to do for you is be comfy just like the sweatpants would. I promise you, you'll feel comfy. It's not as inconvenient as it might look to wear. It's very comfy and casual, but it upgrades your overall style and makes you look really well put together while giving you that same comfort that athleisure might give you. Go for something interesting with way more colors or patterns like I did with this one. It gives you a lot more to work with, and you can keep your other pieces that you match to it more simple without making the outfit feel like it's too plain or boring. Again, we are trying to upgrade our style here, so really go for it. I'm telling you, there's so many fun shapes you can make with one long maxi skirt. I just put a few together for you guys, but I'm telling you, the options are endless. Like, you can clearly see this is my favorite skirt. There's so many ways to style it. I love a long maxi cotton skirt. You cannot go wrong. I know I said that, but it needs to be said again. You cannot go wrong. Like, you can make it into a dress. You can make it a short dress. You can make it a long dress. You can make it into a shorter skirt. I mean, there are a lot of ways to wear this. And maybe I'll make another video just showing you guys all the other ways I found to wear this skirt. I'm telling you, it's my favorite thing. If you don't get anything else on this list, you do need to get this skirt because it will elevate your wardrobe in a way that will be unimaginable. Like, I can't even speak. I'm telling you guys, get yourself one. You will not regret it. Next, you want to get yourself a sundress. Now, I got this white shorter one, and preferably you want one that has like a drawstring top to it, so that way you can convert it into another item, like a longer skirt later. It's so cute to layer for those spring or summer days that are warm, but not quite fully warm, or if you're going to be indoors where they blast the AC and you just want to, have an extra layer on top. It's the perfect look. It's so cute. And white goes with everything, as we know, so you can't go wrong with it. I'm telling you, I have found so many ways to wear it off the shoulders. Like, you'd be surprised how many ways you can wear a cute little sundress. It has pockets, and it's just fun. I think clothes should be fun. You can get a longer one, but just make sure it's not form-fitting like our next item. The little white dress. That's what I call it. It's cute, it's short, it's sweet, and you can wear it with a lot of different items. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. It basically operates the same way a little black dress would, but more in a casual picnic style kind of way. I love it. I love layering it, things over it, things under it. I'm telling you, get yourself a little white dress. And again, you want to get cotton or another breathable material because it's going to last you longer and it's actually going to look like the picture because that's how these items work when you get higher quality material. That is why I love Princess Polly. Like, I'm serious, y'all. I was so excited they wanted to work with me for this video. But yes, please get yourself a cute little white dress. It can be dressed up or you can dress it down. I even wear mine tucking it into my jeans. Like, the options are endless. It's the perfect little addition to your closet. Next, you want to get yourself a satin silk looking skirt. Usually a maxi version of it. Like, you want it long and flowy like you're a mermaid. I'm telling y'all, like, you want to sleep on a satin bonnet, but not on this skirt. Like, this Don't sleep on this. It's so cute. Easiest way to upgrade your wardrobe, I'm telling you. Like, you wear it with a t-shirt, as you can see, or throw on something a little bit more preppy. You could even just like do the same thing I did with the last skirt and make it shorter, make it longer, make it lower on your waist. Like, this is that skirt. Get yourself one. It will really elevate your closet. It's so chic and elegant. I'm telling you, I don't know what else to say. Like, y'all see the material. It is so cute. Every girl I've seen wear this skirt looks good. They always get compliments. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Okay, full disclosure. This item on this list is, I just think it's cute. It may not be as versatile as the other items I've listed, but I think you should still get this one. It's a cute little cropped cotton top. And I think getting yourself something again in cotton, a breathable fabric, is a great option for the spring summertime. And this one is so adorable. Like, it's, you wear it off the shoulders, of course, and you can reverse it. It's a little lower cut if you do the back to the front instead, but it's still fully covered, and you know, nothing's moving or showing where it shouldn't. So I think it's perfect. I love it. It's got this like corset vibe to it as well. And it fully buttons down the front, so you can open up as many of the buttons as you want, or as few of the buttons as you want, to layer things underneath of it, treat it like a vest, or whatever. You can match it with like a matching skirt. And again, it's more of a simplistic, classy item, because I wanted to give you guys in this video, like I said, a lot of options that are pretty basic, but still very versatile. So beginner friendly, very much things you can start building your wardrobe out of. So this, I would definitely say, just grab it. If you're debating on whether you want this one or not, it's cute. It's a little crop top. Everyone needs one in your wardrobe. And this one is a really fun piece to really like elevate the other items in your closet. It's a nice shape to it. I love it. It's literally my new favorite crop top. So get you one. And the final 4 items are shoes you could keep in your closet that are very versatile. That's a nice pair of sneakers, platform heels, a good classic comfy boot, and some nice cute slip-on sandals. You really can't go wrong with this combo. Like, these 4 will get you far. I'll definitely be cycling through these shoes a lot, so keep an eye out on my socials. You'll see me wearing these a lot. I've been wanting a pair of platform sneakers especially for a long time. My little sister is obsessed with them. Like, she has a lot of pairs of platform sneakers, and that got me interested in them. So much so that I already wore one of these pairs out. As you'll see, I'll put in a clip to show you when I went to the park, because I've been wearing them with everything. It's my new favorite shoe. I think I understand why my little sister wears platform shoes all the time, like platform sneakers especially, because it feels like you're walking on air. And these boots, okay, these little boots are a pair of boots I've been looking for a long time. They've actually been on like my own personal Pinterest board, like not my actual Pinterest board, but like the Pinterest board in my mind. I've been desperately wanting these boots. It's like a right in between height. It's not thigh high or anything, but they're perfect. And then I finally got myself a pair of black sandals, but specifically platform strappy ones. So they kind of feel like heels, but they're just as comfortable as sandals. So I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these with either dressing them down or dressing them up. They're gonna fit both occasions. That's it for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite look is or your favorite piece that you want to add to your wardrobe. The links to everything is down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.